First time ever trying to cut hay. There's the mower. And then here's our tractor. And out here is the grass I'm going to try to mow. So I'm going to try this first time ever. Not gonna lie, I'm quite nervous. Hopefully I don't break anything. So I got the grass mowed. Step 1 is complete. First time ever in my entire life. I mowed. It wasn't easy, it wasn't smooth, but it's done.
Work, don't stop.